This is Michael Carson back with another video. Well, there was a New York City Hudson River helicopter crash, and on board was a family of 5 from Spain. The helicopter broke apart in midair and dropped like a rock. Let me read the article, and I may put the video that's in here at the front of the video, or I may play it after I read it. I haven't decided yet. New York City Hudson River helicopter crash victims ID'd as family of 5 on vacation from Spain. It's written by Joe Marino and David Proper, and this is an article on the New York Post. You can find it there. The head of the Spanish division of global technology company Siemens and his family were identified as 5 victims who were killed in an ill-fated helicopter crash that plunged into the Hudson River Thursday, according to local law sources. Agustin Escobar, president and CEO of Siemens in Spain, his wife and their 3 children were all killed in a fiery crash in which the tourist chopper plunged into the murky waters. Gut-wrenching photos of the New York Chopper Tours website show the gut-wrenching photos of New York Helicopter Tours website show the bundled up 5 family members. Let me reread that again. Gut-wrenching photos of the New York Helicopter Tours website show the bundled up 5 family members smiling in front of the Bell 206L-4 Long Ranger 4 helicopter and strapped inside the aircraft. And as you can see, there's the family. There's the family inside the helicopter. And unfortunately, that's the last anybody gets to see of them. The 3 children all appear to be in middle school or younger. That's after what we call primary school, or what you call primary school in the UK, we call elementary school in the US. So, and then we have middle school. We don't have like a specialty after that. Let me continue reading. The loved ones just got into the Big Apple from Barcelona earlier in the day, law enforcement sources said. The identity of the pilot was not known as of Thursday night. The sightseeing chopper broke apart midair, then plummeted like a rock into the Hudson around 3:15 p.m. That's Eastern time. And that picture shows the helicopter dropping. And there's the cleanup crew. The 4 victims were pronounced dead at the scene and 2 more were declared dead at the hospital. The cause of the crash was unclear with the investigation underway. Escobar had 25 years of international experience in which he led businesses across the globe, including the US, South America, Spain, and Germany, according to his LinkedIn profile. He had been CEO of Siemens Spain since late 2022. When the German-based multinational announced his new position, his predecessor Miguel Angel Lopez said Escobar's work has been key to Siemens' success in the field of mobility and transport. He was also the global CEO of rail infrastructure at Siemens Mobility since last October, according to the profile. The chopper Escobar and his family was on appeared to lose parts of the aircraft as it plunged into the water, witnesses said. But you could literally see that the propeller had just snapped right off. You could see it snap off, then it just came straight down. Witness Charlie McSorley said. The names of his wife, and 3 kids were not known immediately Thursday night. Let's scroll down here. You can check out the comments. It's really sad. I will probably include the video on the Rumbly version, because YouTube likes to flag anything it deems inappropriate, even if it's blurred out. So, have fun with that. If you enjoyed this video, consider watching another one, because I definitely didn't enjoy this video at all. Have yourself a wonderful day. Again, thank you for watching. Please consider watching another video. Like and share so the videos get traction, and I appreciate it, and have yourself a wonderful day.